Hi, I'm Leah from Semolina Artisanal Pasta, and today we are going to make one of my favorite pasta dishes, pasta alla limone. The reason I love pasta alla limone is because it highlights the fact that the best food starts with simple, great ingredients. Obviously, Semolina Artisanal Pasta. Today we're going to be using my strozzi, juice of a lemon, zest of a lemon, and pasta water. I see a lot of people dumping their pasta water down the drain, and you cannot do that, people. That water is like liquid gold. So you want the zest of one lemon. I always like to use farmer's market lemons whenever possible because they are unwaxed and you'll get a better zest off of them. And who likes a waxy film anyway? Roll your lemon on a hard surface and you'll get a lot more juice out of it. So you get all the juice out of your lemon. This is why you need to make sure that you are doing your arm workouts to make sure that you can get all the juice. The Italians say you want your pasta water to taste like the ocean. So understanding about a tablespoon of salt per quart of water. You want your water boiling vigorously so that you can get a lot of movement and your pasta doesn't stick together. For a pound of pasta, you've got the zest of a lemon and a juice of a lemon. You're gonna add that to your boiling water. Give it a quick stir. And then you're gonna wanna put a lid on it so that it comes right back up to boiling as fast as possible. You always wanna cook your pasta to just shy of al dente. For my pastas, that's usually about 5 minutes, so I'm gonna set my timer. Set timer for 5 minutes. Semolina Artisanal Pasta is made entirely from semolina and water. We're a certified organic brand. All of our pastas are bronze die extruded, so they have a nice rough surface texture, and with an emulsified sauce like this, it really helps coat the pasta. Every batch of flour has a little bit different amount of water. Every batch of flour has a little bit different amount of protein, and all of those things will affect your cooking time. So when you see a box of pasta and it has a range of time, it's a suggestion. You should always be tasting your pasta as you cook it to make sure that you're cooking it properly. Okay, so when your pasta is just shy of al dente, you're gonna wanna transfer it out of your pasta water and into your saute pan. I like for this dish to go to a cold saute pan using a spider, which is a fantastic tool, or if you have a giant pasta pot with a colander, you can pull the colander out now. So your pasta water, again, is the foundation of your sauce, and it's also how you're going to finish cooking your pasta, because like I said, you want to do it just shy of al dente. So in this case, I'm going to add a couple of ladlefuls of pasta water and our lemon juice and lemon zest, and then I am going to turn our pasta pot, our little saute pan here, on. And you want it about medium-high because you're going to bring your pasta right back up to a boil as fast as you can. So what you're trying to do is to bring this up to a boil because you're trying to get the lemon juice to combine with the starchy pasta water, and then that will create an emulsion. And you will end up with something that is a little bit like lemon cream without any cream. So we're finally getting to a point where you can start to see how the water is thickened and has coated the pasta. Take that and a drizzle full of olive oil, some chili flakes. So fresh, tart. I can just imagine that with like a little hint of basil in the middle of the summer, a glass of crisp white wine, and I couldn't be happier. Pasta alla limone.